Do you want to know my trick in keeping yourself inspired and motivated to paint beautiful abstract art? Hi, my name is Yvette, and I know I'm just like you. How many times have you sat in front of a blank canvas and a minute goes by, 2 minutes goes by, before you know it, so much time has passed and there is still absolutely no paint on that canvas? Creative block is no joke, but there is a solution, and art journaling is what you need to start doing. Let me show you how we can conquer that obstacle together. Art journals are such a fun way of creating and storing your art. And as we work through the pages of this little pocket-sized journal, you're gonna experience how we can just pull a certain color out, put another one in to replace it. And even though the colors aren't exact, they all work together cohesively. And simply by scaling down the work that you're doing into an art journal, automatically we relieve that pressure of having to create that masterpiece on this wonderfully large canvas. Let's eliminate the stress and all the pressure that we put on ourselves and have fun and get started and see art in a completely different way. I am going to take you step by step and show you how we can create these bold, beautiful paintings in a pocket-sized art journal. I spend a lot of time perfecting this course to help artists like you, beginners or seasoned, to start creating wonderful pieces of art and help build your confidence. My name is Yvette St.Amant, and I can't wait for you to join me in my course, Journey with Color Through Pocket-Sized Paintings.